There's nothing like a good cup of coffee to start off a day. Ugh. Thanks for leaving me the last cup. A little bit of sugar. The rest of the coffee, thanks. And of course a little bit of cream. Well, I guess I can't complain too much. Yeah, because if I don't have my morning coffee, it can get pretty ugly around here. Alright, where do I start the day? I did pour the coffee, didn't I? Didn't I? This is going to be a rough day.